Hello girls. Today we will see role of analytical chemistry, which includes some terminologies, types of analysis, and about analytical methods. Important terms and their significance in analytical chemistry. Accuracy, it is the difference between obtained result and expected result. It is expressed in absolute error, which is observed value minus true value. Precision is repeatedness, agreement between the set of observations expressed by standard deviation, relative average deviation, range, variance, coefficient of variation. Reproducibility expresses the precision, repeatedness. Selectivity, degree to which the method is free from interference present in the material. Sensitivity, ability to differentiate between two small concentration differences in the analyte. Limit of detection, minimum amount of the concentration of component that can be detected with given degree of confidence. SM, analytical signal minimum, is equal to SB, mean blank signal, plus 3S, standard deviation produced by blank. Limit of quantification, the lowest concentration of analyte that can be determined with stated accuracy and precision. The amount of concentration of component that produces analytical signal, which is 10 times the standard deviation obtained for blank. What is accuracy? Accuracy is also called as exactness, measure of correctness. It is expressed by absolute error and relative error. What is precision? Precision is nothing but repeatedness. So the numerical difference between observed value and mean value. It is expressed by mean, median, range, absolute deviation, average deviation, relative average deviation, standard deviation, relative standard deviation. Precision and accuracy in analysis. Accuracy as it is measure of correctness expressed by absolute error, relative error. Precision is expressed by mean, median, range, absolute deviation, average deviation, relative average deviation, standard deviation, relative standard deviation. Chemical analysis can be classified on the basis of nature of information required, size of sample. Under nature of information required, we can classify as partial analysis if we determine some components of the sample, complete analysis if we carry out detailed information about the sample. If we carry out only elemental composition, for example in case of coal, moisture, volatile component, ash content, fixed carbon, whether the product is usable or and of commercial value, then it is called as proximate analysis. Trace analysis if very small amount is detected. On the basis of size of sample, if the sample is within the range of 10 milligrams to 100 milligrams, it is called as semi-micro analysis. If it is 1 to 10 milligram, it is called as micro analysis. If it is more than 100 milligrams, it is called as macro analysis. There are many methods of analysis, and all these methods can be divided in two groups, classical and non-classical or instrumental. Under classical methods, which are very simple procedure, cheaper apparatus is required, low cost, and no specialized training is required here. They can be further classified as gravimetric analysis, where direct and indirect gravimetric analysis can be carried out. Volumetric analysis, which can be again classified as acid-base titration, neutralization titration, precipitation titration, complexometric titration, redox titration. Under non-classical methods or instrumental methods, which are very accurate, sensitive, less time consuming, but here training is required and expensive as the instrument cost is more. They are further classified as optical methods, electroanalytical methods, radioanalytical methods, and separation techniques. Electroanalytical methods can be further classified as potentiometric methods, conductometric, electrogravimetric, polarography, colorimetry, voltammetry. Separation techniques can be classified as chromatography and solvent extraction. Solvent extraction is batch extraction, continuous extraction, counter current extraction. Chromatography is thin layer chromatography, paper chromatography, ion exchange, column, gas chromatography, HPLC, size exclusion chromatography, and radioanalytical methods are classified as neutron activation analysis, isotope dilution method.